failing quickly is one of the core elements of creative progress. Google Cloud gives us the combination of scale and quality that we need to push the boundaries of storytelling. My name is Tobias Huber. I'm from Storybook Studios. We're a group of artists and filmmakers who are focusing on using generative AI to improve filmmaking. From day one, we asked ourselves the question, how can we use technology to tell better stories? So we've been trying to push the boundaries of what's possible with generative AI, and we've been testing and iterating and coming up with new workflows and ways to tell new stories. Technology should never be the star of the show, but an enabler for creators, for artists. When we talk about tech unleashing its imagination, we mean that technology helps us to remove traditional boundaries like scale or budget. Independent creators have always been at a disadvantage. Limited budgets always meant limited production value. For years, storytellers have accepted that limitation as a natural one. AI is actually lifting that limitation and leveling the playing field. We think of AI as a very powerful tool. The artists define the style. They have the creative vision. AI does the heavy lifting and the repetitive work, so the artist can focus on what's really important, which is like the character design, the emotion, the story beats. For us, AI is a fantastic tool to generate artistic output. From the very beginning, two challenges defined working with AI. The one is control, the other one is consistency. Control means how closely does the output follow your input? And consistency means, can we tell stories that have consistent characters, consistent sets, and consistent emotions? It's very important to have consistency so the audience can dive into a story and doesn't feel the seams of how it was made. Google Veo delivers video output that almost feels screen ready. But more importantly, it actually listens. So when it comes to consistency and control, you actually have the ability to direct. That is extremely important when you want to create emotion. And being able to direct scenes with the help of Google Veo means that you have the greatest amount of control to actually create output that moves people. When we started, we didn't want AI to just make things a little faster or a little cheaper. Whatever we did, we tried to benchmark against the question, does it actually create emotion? And to do that, we actually thought about the production process and rebuilt it from the very ground up. In the short film Daisy, we used real actors and real performances to create a horror short film. Without Google Veo, it would have taken us months to actually build the sets and go to the locations instead of actually filming the whole thing in our office. Viewers don't think this was made by AI. They just feel, and that's the magic that we're pursuing. A spaceship battle across galaxies, like giant monsters underwater, all of these things were completely out of reach in the past. Now we can make those things reality. So the scope of what's possible is no longer dictated by budget, but by imagination. Storybook Studios has a new way to turn imagination into cinematic reality.